Are you struggling to lose weight? Today, we're diving into 7 effective strategies to help you on your weight loss journey. Now, weight loss is a topic that has been on the minds of many for years. It's a challenge that requires willpower, discipline, and most importantly, a well-thought-out plan. But why is weight loss important? Well, shedding those extra pounds is not just about fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. It's about improving your overall health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and boosting your self-esteem. It's about feeling good in your skin and living a healthier, happier life. But let's face it, losing weight is no easy feat. It's a journey filled with obstacles and setbacks. However, with the right strategies in place, it's a journey that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant you. So, what exactly are these strategies? Well, we've whittled it down to 7 key areas. First, we'll be discussing the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. This includes being mindful of portion sizes, focusing on nutrient-rich foods, and staying well hydrated. Next, we'll delve into the role of regular exercise, both cardiovascular activities and strength training. Both of these are essential for burning calories, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting metabolism. But it's not just about diet and exercise. We'll also be covering lifestyle changes, such as getting enough quality sleep and managing stress effectively. Mindful eating is another key area we'll explore. This involves eating slowly, listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and avoiding overeating. Setting realistic goals is also crucial. This includes tracking your progress and setting achievable weight loss targets. Consistency, of course, is key. We'll be discussing the importance of developing consistent healthy habits and not skipping meals. Finally, we'll touch on the role of professional guidance. Sometimes seeking advice from a registered dietitian, nutritionist, or healthcare professional can provide the personalized support you need. Remember, every individual's journey is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. But with these strategies, we hope to guide you on a path that leads to a healthier, happier you. So, are you ready to take the first step? Stay tuned as we delve into the first strategy, maintaining a balanced diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of weight loss, but how do we achieve it? Let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about portion control. Overeating is a common pitfall on the road to weight loss, but it can be easily managed. Using smaller plates can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. It's a simple, yet effective strategy. Next, focus on nutrient-rich foods. These are the superheroes of your diet plan. Whole foods such as fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats are packed with essential nutrients and will keep you feeling full and energized. Lastly, let's not forget about hydration. Sometimes we mistake our body's call for water as a hunger pang. So, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. With these tips, you're well on your way to healthier eating. Now, let's get moving. Exercise is a crucial part of any weight loss journey. Let's break it down. When it comes to regular physical activity, 2 types really stand out: cardiovascular exercise and strength training. Cardiovascular exercise, often referred to as cardio, includes activities such as walking, running, swimming, or cycling. These are fantastic for burning calories and improving overall heart health. Then we have strength training. This might involve lifting weights or bodyweight exercises like push-ups or squats. While you might not burn as many calories during the workout, you're building muscle, and more muscle means a faster metabolism. That's right, you'll be burning more calories even when you're not exercising. So what's the takeaway? A combination of cardiovascular exercise and strength training can be a powerful tool for weight loss. But it's not just about exercising hard, it's about exercising regularly. Remember, consistency is key, but there's more to weight loss than diet and exercise. Sleep and stress management are often overlooked, but are vital parts of weight loss. Let's explore why. Quality sleep is more than just feeling rested. It's about giving your body time to reset and regulate hormones related to hunger and fullness. When we are short on sleep, these hormones can get out of balance, leading to increased hunger and potential weight gain. Just as important is stress management. High stress levels can stimulate the production of cortisol, a hormone that can prompt your body to store fat, especially around the midsection. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels, preventing emotional eating and promoting healthier choices. Remember, weight loss isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It's about taking care of your whole self, from getting enough sleep to managing stress. Managing your lifestyle is a big step. Next, we'll talk about mindful eating. Mindful eating can transform your relationship with food. Let's learn how. At its core, mindful eating is about slowing down, savoring each bite, and truly experiencing the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. It's about being present in the moment and paying attention to your body's signals. When you eat slowly, you give your body the chance to register fullness, which can prevent overeating. Then there's the concept of listening to your body. Your body sends out cues when it's hungry and when it's had enough. By tuning into these signals, you can eat when you're truly hungry and, more importantly, stop when you're satisfied. This simple act of mindfulness can make a world of difference in your eating habits. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your food and prevent overeating. Now, let's set some goals. Setting realistic goals is critical for sustainable weight loss. Here's how to do it. And when beginning your weight loss journey, it's essential to establish goals that are both achievable and realistic. Instead of aspiring for rapid, drastic changes, aim for gradual, steady weight loss. This approach is not only more sustainable, but also healthier for your body. Now, how do you keep track of your progress? A food journal can be an effective tool. Jot down your daily food intake, exercise routine, and weight fluctuations. Alternatively, you could use various apps available that can help you stay accountable. These apps can monitor your progress, reminding you of your daily targets and achievements. But remember, achieving your goals doesn't solely rely on diet and exercise. It's also about consistency. Maintaining these habits over the long term is what will lead to lasting change. Setting and tracking goals can keep you motivated. But remember, consistency is key. Consistent habits and professional guidance can make a world of difference. Let's find out how. Consistency is key to real, sustainable change. When it comes to losing weight, it's not about short-term diets or quick fixes. It's about developing healthy habits and sticking to them day in and day out. Take regular meals, for example. Skipping meals might seem like a quick way to cut calories, but it can actually lead to overeating later in the day. Instead, aim to eat balanced meals at regular intervals to keep your metabolism steady and your hunger in check. But consistency isn't just about what you eat or when. It's also about maintaining a regular exercise routine, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. These might seem like small pieces of the puzzle, but together they can have a substantial impact on your overall health and weight loss journey. Now, while consistency is important, let's not forget about the power of professional guidance. Regardless of how much you know about nutrition and exercise, there's always more to learn. And sometimes getting advice tailored to your specific needs can make all the difference. Consider seeking guidance from a registered dietitian, nutritionist, or healthcare professional. They can help you understand your body's unique needs, set realistic goals, and develop a personalized weight loss plan. They can also provide support and accountability, helping you stay on track when things get tough. And don't underestimate the power of a supportive network. Surround yourself with friends, family, or a weight loss group who can share in your experiences, celebrate your successes, and encourage you when you face setbacks. Remember, you're not in this alone. With these 7 strategies, you're equipped to embark on your weight loss journey. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, stay healthy. Losing weight is a journey, not a destination. With these strategies, you're well equipped to start yours. We've traveled through the importance of a balanced diet, the need for regular exercise, and the significance of lifestyle changes. We've learned that mindful eating can transform our relationship with food and that setting realistic goals can keep us motivated and on track. We've also emphasized the value of consistency and the benefits of seeking professional guidance when necessary. If you remember nothing else, remember this: small, sustainable changes can make a big difference over time. Losing weight isn't about quick fixes or drastic measures, it's about making healthier choices day in and day out. The journey may be challenging, but the destination is well worth the effort. You do not have to do everything at once. Try one thing at a time and find what works for you. Things you can do right now: get active for 150 minutes a week. You can break this up into shorter sessions. Aim to get your 5-a-day ATG of fresh, canned or frozen fruit or vegetables. Count as 1 portion. Aim to lose 1 to 2 lbs or 0.5 to 1 kg a week. Read food labels. Products with more green color coding than amber and red are often a healthier option. Swap sugary drinks for water. If you do not like the taste, add slices of lemon or lime for flavor. Cut down on food that's high in sugar and fat. Start by swapping sugary cereal for whole grain. Alternatives: share your weight loss plan with someone you trust. They can help motivate you when you have a bad day. Things you should avoid. Do not lose weight suddenly with diets. Do not stock unhealthy food. Popcorn, fruit and rice cakes can be healthier alternatives. Do not skip meals. You might end up snacking more because you feel hungry. Do not finish your plate if you're full. You can save leftover food for the next day. Thank you for joining us in this journey towards healthier living. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips.